Hello, we're going to learn the Woodpecker's Duet for the Recorder Festival. This piece has 3 notes in: B on the middle line on the music stave, A on the space below that, and G on the second line up on our music stave. So B, A and G. We're going to play this piece 3 times. The piece starts with piano introduction. The first time we play part 1, top line. The second time we play part 2, the bottom line, and the third time through we're going to play it as a duet, so you can choose whether you play part 1 or part 2. I'm going to play part 1, so please feel free to play along with me. Let's wait for the piano introduction.